Hurricane Guillermo continues to race toward the islands. Good evening, I'm Paula Akana. Yunji Denise has the night off. The National Hurricane Center has just released its 5 p.m. update. Moani Kayla Navarro at the KITV4 Weather Center with the latest. Moani.
Paula, Guillermo is moving quickly tonight. One of the highlights, though, with the latest update is showing that this hurricane has not strengthened, so some good news there. Let's take a look at the maps. Important to note that at this point, the earliest we could feel its impacts, if any, isn't until about next week, Wednesday, Thursday. Right now, though, it is thriving over the open ocean. Take a look at that circulation there. This is a large hurricane over very warm waters, so that's helping to support more and more development. Winds right now at 105 miles an hour, making it a Category 2 hurricane. And we also have an updated storm track with this. Let's pull that up for you. Over the next 5 days, we are anticipating Guillermo to maybe strengthen tomorrow, but then starting to move into some wind shear. So that will help to tear away at it. You can see it's down to a tropical storm by this coming Tuesday. At that point, still about 300 to 400 miles northeast of the state. Now, other storm models are pulling up some projected paths here, and compared to yesterday, you can see many of them pulling it farther north than what we saw at this time yesterday. So that is some promising news for us as well. But it is important to mention that we'll have to watch it closely because anything can happen, especially Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's a little too far for us to say, hey, this is what we really think it'll do. We should have a better understanding by Sunday as to what path Guillermo will take as it gets closer to the state. It is a good time, though, to go ahead, prepare just in case, and stick with KITV4 through the weekend for the latest updates. Paula.